Classified as one of the most beautiful towns in Italy, Pitigliano is perched high up on a tufo plateau. Its nickname is the Little Jerusalem for the historic Jewish population that has inhabited it. A population that moved here at the end of the 16th, beginning of the 17th century, when in fact the Jews were exiled from the Papal States. And one of the most visible monuments in Pitigliano, whether you're inside or outside of the city, is the 16th century aqueduct built by the Medici family. But the most famous monument in Pitigliano is the Orsini Palace that you see here behind me. The structure as we see it today is the result of the design of Antonio da San Gallo the Younger, the same architect who worked on the Basilica of St. Peter before Michelangelo. But at the core of the building is an older 13th century structure which belonged to the Aldobrandeschi family. And today, the Orsini Palace houses a small museum. And the center of Pitigliano is characterized by these narrow medieval streets with these tufa buildings along each side. And although there are practically no members of the Jewish community left, you can still find a Jewish bakery, a Jewish butcher, the ritual baths, and just next door you can find the synagogue as well. And one of the Jewish specialties that you'll find here is lo sfratto, which literally means the eviction. It's a type of sweet that resembles the clubs that the agents of the Medici dukes would use to bang on the doors of the Jewish residents to evict them. And so technically that legacy still continues today in these delicacies that you'll find throughout the Jewish ghetto area. While the cathedral here in Pitigliano is dedicated to Saints Peter and Paul, originally built in the 16th century, but much of what you see is actually the result of an 18th century restoration. And perhaps the most striking aspect of this cathedral is that tower that you see, which in fact not only do you see from inside of Pitigliano, but from the entire surrounding area. So if you're in Tuscany, be sure to visit Pitigliano, and make sure to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of the great content that we're filming here in Italy and publishing weekly.